What's up, y'all? It's your boy Steve, Putnwork Steve, and just to let y'all know, this is my first tutorial hair video. Now, before you do any haircut, it's always best for you to comb it out, prep your hair, because you want to be able to look at the hair, feel the hair texture, look at the skin, you know, everything, before you start cutting the hair, okay? So go right ahead, comb it out everywhere. You want to be able to comb it out. Don't forget to leave a comment too down below, man. This is my first video, so there's going to be some mess ups. There's going to be bad lighting. You know, the camera might be messing up. But look, I'm just showing y'all what to do. All right, let's get into this taper, man. So we're going to ball it out using the clipper. I'm using the babyless cordless clipper. And I don't like to use the trimmer at all. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but I use the trimmer afterwards for the after when like cleaning up. But you want to be able to start off by closing the clipper, starting off with the ball line. Then you always want to brush. See how I'm brushing? Every time you go up with the clipper, you brush down. Then you want to open the clipper halfway and go up a little bit more. Don't go up too high, but go up a little bit more above that little like ball line that you just made. Then you want to brush down again. Always brush, man. Then you want to open up your clipper all the way, go right ahead and go up a little bit more. And after that, what else? Leave a comment down below what's next. Brush down, okay? So always go right ahead. When you're going up, brush down, because especially working with coarse hair, especially working with black or African American hair, anybody that has hair that's curly, it tends to go up, and you always want it to go down positions. It gives you a vision to look at the hair and see how the hair is, how it's supposed to be laid down. And also, y'all, I would like to apologize for the vision of this camera, the way how it's positioned, the lighting and everything like that. This is my first hair tutorial, so forgive me. Now we're going on with the one guard. So make sure you have the one guard closed. We're taking it down a little bit more. You want to lay the hair down on the taper because you want that taper to be so clean. It makes it easy. So before you go right ahead and start off with the one guard, just lay it down first, going with the grain, and then afterwards you're going to turn it around and go against the grain. When going against the grain, you want to go right ahead and have that one guard open all the way. And go ahead and scoop up, man. Don't be afraid to go up. A lot of new barbers out there, and you know, I was one of those new barbers back then. And I was afraid to go up. I always had like a lot of vets, a lot of barbers that's in the game. It was just like, yo, Steve, don't be afraid to go up, man. Like, never be afraid. A lot of people think that you're just gonna go right ahead and mess the haircut up. You're not. Go right ahead and just scoop up like how I'm doing now. So now we're gonna go right ahead and shape up top, because of the afro is starting to grow a little bit. My client told me to cut some of it down, so we're gonna shape it so that way it will look more better, like it'll stand out more, the taper. As you can tell that the hair was lapping over. Some clients do like it, some clients don't, but you know, he didn't like it at all, so I'm gonna go right ahead and shape it. So now after doing all that, you want to go ahead and start to detail your work. Now, some of y'all may say that, oh, you should have been had this and that. No, like, get through the haircut, man. Like, a lot of new barbers out there, they struggle with timing. As they say, time is money. Go right ahead and get through that haircut. You know, Don't sit there and waste no time. Afterwards, when you get done, all the little guides, all the little steps that you're going through, then go back and go fix your work. Go right ahead and detail your work. Now we're to the sides. Same thing what we did in the back. It's the same thing we're gonna do on the sides. Tapers, I feel like it's the easiest haircut ever because it's not much that you're doing. You're just doing the sides. That's it. Like, you're doing the side. So the same thing you did in the back, you're gonna do on the side. You're gonna go ahead and ball it out first. What I did, as you can see. And after you're balling it out, you're gonna open the clipper halfway, go up the next step, keep on going up, follow through, and then afterwards you're gonna what? Open the clipper again, all the way, and keep on following through. Make sure you always brush down after, you know, doing the steps. Man, just to let y'all know too, this beat go hard too. This is by 𝐁𝐄𝐃. This is a website that I found that works with YouTube. Back in the day, it's not like how you could just upload regular videos, man. You gotta go right ahead and find beats that's like not copyrighted. But this beat right here is hard, man. It's called 𝐁𝐄𝐃. It's called The Returning, man. I've been on YouTube for a long time making different videos, but ever since I became a barber, man, now it's just, you know, it's a lot of different things that you got to do on YouTube now. A lot of new stuff. Those that want to be a YouTuber, I tell y'all this right now, it's a lot to learn. So now, after going right ahead and ball it out, we're using the one guard on the clipper, and we're going up a little bit more. And now what we're doing is scooping out. We're scooping out. You don't want to dig too much into the afro. You're scooping out with it. Okay, you got the one guard open, scooping out. As you go up, like I said, go ahead and brush down. Make sure you go ahead and pull the ear back. Sometimes some clients have hair behind the ear. And now afterwards, you're gonna go right ahead and shape the afro. Now, just like the other side, what I just got done doing, just like the back, there's nothing different. Like I said, the taper I feel like is the easiest haircut ever. So first things first is you're gonna take the clipper, ball it out, and then you're gonna do the 3 steps with the clipper with the 0 guard, close it halfway open, and then open the clipper all the way. Don't forget to leave a comment again if you have any questions on this haircut or anything else. Then you're gonna go right ahead and use the one guard and also bring the hair down. Bring the hair down, and then you're gonna turn the clipper around from my words, and then you're gonna go up again using the clipper guard open. And then as you close it, go down with it, and then make sure you brush as well. Don't be afraid to go up. Like I'm telling y'all, you know, from the first time, don't be afraid to go up. All right, make sure you're always brushing your hair down at all times. Then next, we're gonna right ahead and shaping the hair again once more on the other side. Now, we're getting into the shape of the lineup, the edge up, whatever name that you want to call it, that's what we're getting into. But before you do anything like that, make sure you have some clips I like to use these type of clips. I had them since school. I never got rid of them, but they're good to use. Now, in order to lay the hair down, you want to get rid of the bulk that's on top of the hair, just like how the sides is, just like how the back is, to make everything all even. You want to go ahead and take it down with the one guard going with the grain, okay? And the reason for that is because you want to be able to see the lineup a lot better. It's going to be better for you. It's going to be easy for you. And then plus, you know, just thank me later, man. This is a big help. Trust me, it's going to work. Then you want to use some outlining holding spray. There's all different types of holding spray, but this is called the Mr. Outline holding spray. Shout out to Mr. Outliner. You can get it from any local store, maybe Amazon, I might have it. I like to go right ahead and spray everywhere that I am lining up, and it leaves that little white ash. It's a major big help. Now, I would like to be honest with y'all, man. I feel like there was so much going on in my mind, and I was just like, yo, like, I felt like there was a lot of things that I was doing wrong. A lot of things I'm doing wrong. Like, I've been cutting hair for a long time, man. Like, I've been cutting hair for a while now. That's why I haven't been uploading videos. But just doing this video right here, I was so nervous. Like, y'all just don't know how nervous I was doing this video. Like, I felt like I was messing the client up. You know, I felt like I had bad lighting. I felt like that, you know, I wasn't gonna give the proper techniques, you know, the best hair tutorial. It was just a lot. I felt like there was gonna be so many people in the background. Like, oh man, like I'm just telling y'all, man, like I was just so nervous. I don't know, but you know, there's a lot of things that I feel like there's some things I need to brush up on, but it's okay because this is my first video. You know, next thing right here is we're working on the beard. I'm taking my trimmers, my Andis trimmers, and going at the bottom of the beard and fixing it up. My client, he said that he never really had a beard, so he wanted to be able to start growing it out. This is actually my second time cutting him too as well. His girl was never ever seen him with a beard before, so this is going to be like her first time seeing him with his beard. So I'm like, yo, why not? Let's work with it, man. Let's get a beard going. Like I said, I'm so highly upset, man, because y'all are not gonna be able to see like my actual work on lining up. But if you can see this, then hey, look, you got good vision. To me, just editing this video, it just sucks so bad. I was just like, darn, like nobody's gonna be able to see my work. Nobody's gonna be able to see how well I did. So I tried my best, man. If you made it this far, like you're the best. But anyway, let's just get back to the video. Next, afterwards, when you go right ahead and lining someone up, you want to be able to get that line more sharper. So we're going to go in and use a straight razor. When you're using a straight razor, make sure you stretch the skin. Now, you can't really see it, but if you really look closely, I'm using my thumb to stretch the skin, and then I'm just using small, nice, good strokes on the side of the beard. And from using the outlining spray gives the white around the line. Everybody keeps saying, oh, what are you using to get the line? Every single time, every time. And it's just nothing but holding spray. That's all it is. Now, remember when I told y'all he said he never had a beard? Even this girl don't even know what he looked like if he ever had a beard. But watch him smile, man. Y'all seen him smile? He loved it. Now, we're going to go right ahead and use the Black Magic spray. I love this spray. And then we're going to go right ahead and sponge it out because he just doesn't like the afro. He don't want that Michael Jackson look. He doesn't want the 1970 look. So we're going to go ahead and sponge it out. And look at this taper, man. Get into the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about this taper so far, man. Check that back out as I'm sponging it out, man. Y'all see the lineup. Y'all see the lineup. It looks good. It looks good. It looks good. One thing I can say is, man, everybody has to remember this, even if you're a new barber, that even if you're cutting someone's hair, if this is your first time, if this is your second time, third time, you may not be giving your all. So I say, whenever you're cutting someone's hair, have confidence, always give it your all, always do the best that you can. This is a skill, man. This is a skill. Like I said, this is my first haircut tutorial. This is a high taper afro. So hopefully y'all liked it. I'm Putnwork Steve. Peace.